Hello guys and welcome to Game Design. My name is John Hayes and I'll be your instructor during this course. I've been teaching online for over 9 years. I've created games, apps, and even founded a technology school, teaching kids using gamification. I love teaching and I've helped over 27,000 students all over the world. In this course, you will learn how to create board games from scratch. You will understand how games are created from zero to publication. We'll start with the Tabletop Games history. So you'll learn the many different purposes the tabletop games had around the world and through history until today. You'll be able to choose the best mechanics, components, and themes for your games according to your necessities. I'll also show you how to create prototypes to validate your ideas quickly and with playtest techniques. Before you start spending hundreds of dollars in a game you don't even know if people are gonna like. You will learn to design games in a very quick and easy way using the game design document template I'll provide to you. This game design document is specifically created for tabletop games. There's also a section focused on math, so you can balance your game and calculate the chances for each event to happen, so your game can become more engaging for every player. By the end of this course, you will be able to create your own games. You will also answer to some quizzes to help you memorize the content you just learned. You will also be able to download the presentation used in this course. And another bonus is the Game Design Canvas, another template to help you create games quickly using a table of contents. Once you understand how these games are created, playing them will never be the same. I'm excited to see what you can create with this course. Enroll now and I'll see you in the course. Bye!